Hi beavers, hi monkeys, how are you? I hope you're enjoying your week. So today we're going to take the diagraph OO. O and O makes OO. I can read OO words. Moon. Look at the moon. Zoo. I see a snake at the zoo. Zoom. We have two meanings of zoom. I will tell you one now. The ship can zoom, goes up in the air, or zoom where we meet every day, every week. Food. This is good. See, good has two O's. Ooh, good food to eat. Boot. Look at the boot. Look at the boot. This cat is singing. Cannot see the boot coming his way. Roof. She is up on the roof. What do you think she's doing up on the roof? She's fixing the roof. I miss you guys very much. I hope you enjoyed this reading. I want you to read it so many times and I want you to come up with OO words on your own. We did this before in class and I'm sure you can do it again. We miss you, we love you, and have a good day.